This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by booting into firmware setup. Press the vendor key at power on and enter UEFI. Once inside, locate secure boot settings and note current mode and key status. Make sure you have a signed bootloader or the machine owner key file on a USB formatted FAT32. You should also export current platform keys if possible, because you may need to restore them. This first step moves you from preparation into action. Don't skip the backup, it saves time later. Once done entering custom mode, choose the option to manage keys or enroll keys directly. You will import the vendor or shim certificate from the USB. Follow prompts to add the key into DB or MOK depending on your firmware. If using MOK, boot the MOK manager and approve enrollment at next boot. Make sure to confirm each step. Firmware often asks for a PIN or confirmation to write keys. After enrollment, switch Secure Boot back to enabled rather than. You now reboot and verify the system boots with Secure Boot enabled. Watch for loader messages that indicate signature verification passed. If the OS fails to boot, use firmware recovery or the restore keys option to reapply exported platform keys. That often fixes mismatches. Make sure to collect verbose logs or enable diagnostic output to see which key or binary failed. If needed, disable Secure Boot temporarily and rebuild or re-sign the bootloader. Then re-enroll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.